All right, here we have Susan. She came to see us about 10 months ago. She had bone-on-bone osteoarthritis of that left knee. Did they say you needed a knee replacement?
Yes.
So instead, we decided to do the laser stem cell signaling. 10 months later, how's the knee doing?
90% better.
Wow, okay. When did you notice the pain before the treatment? And what is the pain like now during that activity?
There's no pain.
Uh-huh. Do you remember what you had difficulty doing before, like stairs or walking?
Just getting out of the car.
Wow. Uh-huh. It'd be stiff, right?
Yeah. Well, like I felt like I twisted it. And
Yeah.
then it hurt.
And let's say you're getting out of the chair now. Go ahead and stand up and go ahead and walk across the floor. You are doing great.
Yeah.
And have another seat. Now, before we started your treatment, can you mimic what it was like getting out of the car when you had the knee, when the knee was bad? Can you kind of mimic it?
Well, it just hurt.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah, and now it doesn't.
No, it doesn't hurt.
All right. So how many percent better does that knee feel 10 months later?
Oh, 90%.
All right. So we're going to do a little laser, and then we're going to get you on your 1-year follow-up in November. We should be able to graduate you. Congratulations.
Okay.
All right.